Hi everyone. In today's geometry lesson, we're diving into geometric transformations and how they help us understand congruence and symmetry. By the end of this video, you'll be able to identify and perform transformations, recognize symmetrical figures, and determine when two figures are congruent based on corresponding parts. Let's transform the way we think about shapes. Here are some key concepts. SSS, 3 pairs of equal sides, prove triangles are congruent. SAS, 2 sides and the included angle are equal. ASA, 2 angles and the included side are equal. Engineers use congruence postulates to verify structural components match, ensuring stability and safety. Let's start with SSS, side, side, side. If all 3 sides of one triangle are the same length as all 3 sides of another triangle, the two triangles are congruent. Why? Because there's only one way to build a triangle with 3 specific side lengths. Once the sides are fixed, the angles fall into place. This shortcut helps us avoid measuring or proving every angle. Just check the sides. Here's a 2-part problem. You're given 2 triangles. In triangle ABC, AB is 5 centimeters. B angle is 60 degrees. BC is 7 centimeters. In triangle DEF, you're told DE is 5 centimeters. E angle is 60 degrees. EF is 7 centimeters. Are the triangles congruent? Yes. This fits the SAS, that is, side angle side rule. The angle is between 2 sides and all parts match. So triangle ABC is approximately equal to triangle DEF. If instead the angle was not between the sides, it wouldn't be SAS. It might be AAS or something else. That's why the order of parts matters. Architects often design triangular roof trusses for buildings. If each triangle in the truss has congruent side lengths, builders can guarantee that all angles will align perfectly and provide structural support. They don't need to measure every part. Just confirm side lengths using SSS or SAS. This saves time and ensures the structure is safe and reliable. To sum up, use SSS, SAS, ASA, or AAS to prove triangles are congruent. These shortcuts save time and are accepted in formal proofs. Congruent triangles have matching sides and angles, perfect copies. In the next video, we'll look at triangle similarity, how figures can have the same shape but different sizes. Let's keep learning.